Taiwan is a vibrant and unique economy that has become increasingly attractive to Forex brokers in recent years. As the country is encouraging Forex trading, more and more brokers have been drawn to its vibrant economic landscape and potential to provide profitable trading opportunities. As a result, it is now possible to find a wide range of brokers offering services in Taiwan. But finding the best Forex brokers in Taiwan might be difficult for newbie traders. That is why we have provided some tips for choosing the top brokers in this video. Best Forex brokers in Taiwan list. There are many Forex brokers available in Taiwan, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS Markets, XM, Black Bull Markets, HF Markets, AXI, Oanda, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Taiwan, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Finding reliable and trustworthy best Taiwan brokers is essential for success in the Forex market. With such a wide range of brokers to choose from in Taiwan, it can be difficult to find the best one. The following part will provide some useful tips on how to find the best Forex brokers in Taiwan. Part 1. Check the regulation status. Part 2. Read online reviews. Part 3. Check security measures. Part 4. Look out for bonuses and promotions. Part 5. Choose a broker with multiple payment options. Part 6. Check the spreads. Part 7. Check the leverage. Part 8. Look out for additional features. And Part 9 is compare brokers with Forex brokers. While there are many Forex trading strategies, the following are top in Taiwan. Strategy 1. Trend trading. Strategy 2. Scalping. Strategy 3. Swing trading. And strategy 4 is position trading. Customer support is an important factor to consider when choosing a Forex broker. You should make sure that the broker offers customer support in your language and is available 24/7. You should also check to see if the broker offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat. This will allow you to get timely help whenever you need it. If you are looking for the best Forex brokers accepting traders in Taiwan, you can follow the tips mentioned above to pick your broker. Also, you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com for more information. In addition to that, you may also follow your own strategy while choosing a broker.